Hello lovelies, welcome again to Wendy style. One thing I love about this hairstyle is that it's easy to care for, and it's a hairstyle that can really save time and money on styling products. This hairstyle, you can see, it can be styled in many different ways, and it allows for versatility and that creative expression. I love this haircut because it's a hairstyle for African American women. It really symbolizes that strength, when I say resilience and self-expression. One thing about this haircut, you can see it will promote healthier hair growth by reducing breakage and damage, from chemicals and heat styling. So this hairstyle is a haircut that will enhance your facial features and draw many attentions to your face. It's a hairstyle that will create a clean and sophisticated look. One thing about this haircut is that it's a low maintenance hairstyle that will give you that polished look you want. You can see the style will simplify your look by minimizing the amount of hair for you to manage. And one thing about this haircut too, it will create that minimalistic and natural appearance for older matured women, and it will also enhance your facial features. Those are hairstyles that will make your grooming routine easier and less time consuming. It's a hairstyle that will simplify your overall look. This haircut on your screen tends to be more minimalistic, and you can see it just is straightforward, like in terms of styling, which can create that simpler and more streamlined look. One thing about this haircut, it allows for more of your natural hair texture and features for you to show through, and is a hairstyle that create that more natural and effortless appearance. So this hairstyle really will enhance your facial features and draw attention to your face. We have short hairstyles that can add that youthful and edgy vibe to your look. This hairstyle will really frame your face and create a soft and feminine look. It's a hairstyle that will draw attention to your eyes and cheekbones, giving you that youthful look. And one thing with this cut is having it shorter sides and longer on top to really give you that modern look. So stay locked to Wendy styles for you to see different hairstyles that will fit your hair texture and your face shape, because here in Wendy styles we provide you guys the tips and ideas on how you can style your hair, how you can maintain your natural hair. Okay, I appreciate you. Stay locked for more beautiful videos coming your way.